On this video today, I have a very special message for you. If you are considering starting your own YouTube channel, you have some talents, you have a message that you want to convey, you have some skills within you that you want to display, and you want to influence people, you want your message to reach masses, then this video will help you in that process. And this is for you. And this is for you because exactly a month ago, I came back to my YouTube channel, starting from May the 19th. And today is the June the 19th. So in the last 1 month, in fact, as of yesterday, June 18th, I complete 30 consecutive days of posting on this channel. Every day, I record one video and I post it. I do not stack these videos. I do not pre-schedule these videos. I record them as on the day, practically like a day before um, that I publish on this channel. Now, what I want to do today is I want to share some statistics with you. If you are considering starting your YouTube channel, or you already have a channel, you want to activate it. So I'm going to share these statistics with you, with an idea that this is going to inspire you to stay consistent. It's going to inspire you to keep going till the YouTube algorithm starts helping you. If you are a pro at YouTube marketing, you have a bigger channel, you have known this and you have done this at a deeper level, then I want to hear from you. So essentially, if you can make a comment on this video and tell me what you think about the numbers that I'm going to be sharing with you now. So at the start of June 18, on May 18th, when I started this reposting or coming back and started posting on the channel, at that point in time, I had 302, I believe, subscribers. And prior to that, the last time I posted on the channel was literally 2 years ago. So there is nothing I've done in 2 years. So this channel was completely dead. I was not in this, but I decided to come back and I wanted to start posting. So in the last 28 days, as per YouTube, I'm going to put some screenshots here. I'm just took some notes because I don't have my laptop here, but when I do publish this video, I'll put some screenshots for you so you can see what I'm talking about. In the last 28 days, I had about 29 new subscribers subscribe to this channel. So that is literally one subscriber a day, just about. Okay. The click-through rate is about 1.8%. The average duration is about 2 minutes and 1 second. Okay, 29 subscribers in total. And the total impressions I got is about 68,200. That's the total impressions that YouTube gave me. Now, I want to share something. I did not share this channel with any of my email subscribers. And I did that today. For the first time, I sent an email saying I have a YouTube channel and I've started posting every day. So today is the first day I sent an email. But prior to this date, in the last 30 days, I never told anybody. I did not spend a single dollar trying to get views or subscribers for the channel. All this is organic. So clearly, the click-through rate is very low on this channel because 1.8%, total impressions 68,200, a lot of impressions. Click-through rate is very low. There are two reasons why this is happening. Number one is the thumbnails are horrible. If you look at thumbnails on this channel, essentially I take a picture of me and I write some white and yellow headline and that's it. So I did not invest a lot of time on improving the thumbnails. Now the reasoning behind that is I don't want to edit my videos. I do not take out the ums, the ahs, any of those things from any of my videos. And English is not my first language either. So I have challenges. Now, if I invest time in editing videos, then I'm spending a lot of time. That's not worth it. So I'm producing one video a day. So I will lose my cadence. I will get frustrated. I will lose my deadline. It's not worth it for me, practically speaking. Now, I also have a principle that when I press the record button, I do not stop it. If I fumble at any point, I will restart the video. Like, again, if I stop here, then I will restart. But I'm going to stop my train of thought, but I will not stop the recording. So I have these constraints that I have imposed upon myself on my own because I want to be the best. So if I cannot come and talk to you in one take, then I do not have any right to be preaching or to be telling or to be teaching or to be influencing. I do not have that right because in real time, I do not get that opportunity. If I'm in front of a bunch of people on a stage when I'm doing a presentation, I cannot stop 10 minutes into the presentation and say that I'm going to restart this whole thing. That doesn't work that way. I come from the radio world. On radio, we do not have a second take. It's only one take. So if it is true for radio, if it is true for the stage, why can't it be true for YouTube? Why do I get the liberty to edit videos? I don't get it. So clearly thumbnails take the most amount of time. Even though this video is easy for me to record, by the way, but the thumbnail, it takes me forever. And it just because I use Canva to create this. So even though I have a template through which I go through, but still I have to figure out the thumbnail text. I have to take a picture of this video and put it there. Now with AI, it's easy, which I'm working on right now. I'm trying to bring in improvements. But first of all, I wanted to see if I can really restart this process on coming on YouTube and sharing my ideas and thoughts. I wanted to see if people can resonate with me. If I'm not getting comments, if I'm not getting likes, what's the point of doing it? Now, I'm not doing this because, in fact, if you go back and look at some of my videos, I tell people, do not subscribe to this channel if you don't see value. If you don't see my conviction, if you don't see my depth, if you don't see my intention, if I'm not making you as my priority on this channel, I don't deserve you to like my videos. I don't deserve your subscription. Very simple. That's how it goes. So I discourage people to subscribe in a way that I want to earn your subscription. I don't want you to subscribe because whatever, right? I mean, if I keep on asking, you may subscribe eventually, but that's not the point. And then what happens? You subscribe, don't watch my videos. What's the point of doing all this? So I never went after number of subscribers. That's not the idea. I'm sharing these numbers because I want to show you what all is possible if you're starting from scratch and you're trying to build this up. So clearly the thumbnails are not working. That's why the click-through rates are not happening. And all the videos look the same. So, and to a large extent, this also has the reason why the average duration is very low is because every video looks the same. It's the same car, the same setup, same discussion, more or less the same t-shirt, right? So it all looks the same. The rawness in the content could be the reason why this is happening, but I'll not go there. I'll blame it on myself. If I'm really good in doing what I'm doing, then the average duration should go up. Right? So one of the things I'm going to be focusing on is how can I improve my content quality going forward so that people watch these videos longer. Now, the raw content can be developed through graphics, through extreme editing and all that. But again, that's not where I'm going. That's not the subscriber I'm seeking. That's not the engagement I'm seeking. I'm not doing that, at least not in this context and the way I'm doing it. That takes me away from delivering my thoughts, my ideas, my convictions, my beliefs, my values with you faster. Yes, I can produce one video once every 10 days or once a week, and then I need to have a video editing team and all that. Even though there are a bunch of AI tools that can do all that with one click or two clicks, still it's work. Still there is a steep learning curve. Still I'm getting things done through a source which I cannot control. So there are so many restrictions and limitations despite of so many possibilities. So I will selectively pick on the possibilities, provided that these possibilities do not take me away from my intentions. Okay, so my intention is to come and deliver value. Okay, now, so what are the lessons? Clearly, the watch time has gone down, but um, it had gone down because I'm not editing, clearly, right? So that's why the watch time, and I could retain and all that, so I can keep I can keep the engagement going, the visual, uh, you know, fixation better on the videos if I can edit. But I do encourage people to listen to my channel, not to see my channel. So you can, while you're watching this, you're watching this video, it's great, but you can actually put your phone down or your device down if you're watching on your device, and you can still listen to this. I think this whole thing still makes sense. That's my goal. That's my intent. Come from the radio world, right? Okay, so in order to increase the watch time, I need to be a better storyteller. That's a lesson I'm taking for myself. I need to tell and convey emotions better on these videos. So in order to convey the emotions better, I need to frame whatever I'm saying in a better manner. That means I need to become a better storyteller. Clearly, that's what this is all about. Okay, that will increase the watch time. If I do not change anything else, of course, I can increase the watch time by editing these videos. Again, I'm not going there. Okay. So the lessons learned is consistency is the key. So clearly, because I'm consistently posting, eh, nothing is going viral. There's nothing 100, maybe 30, 20 views per video at the most. So nothing is viral, but everything is visible. Why? Because impressions are high, click-through rate is low, but YouTube algorithm is testing me. It is placing me everywhere because the impressions are very, very high. So these are the lessons. Hopefully, at least these are the notes I took. So hopefully this is helpful. If you're starting a YouTube channel, you're coming back into your YouTube channel, you're considering posting videos and all that, then I'm hoping these statistics will help. Now, one subscriber a day, how long it's going to take me to hit 100,000 subscribers? Obviously, a couple of years at least at this pace. When will I hit 10,000 subscribers? 20 years. When will I hit 100,000? I don't know, 30 years, 50, 40 years. When will I hit 1 million subscribers at this rate? Not going to happen. At least at this pace, and given my time where I am, I'm not going to see 100,000 subscribers, clearly, unless I drastically improve something and magically YouTube does something with me and all the existing subscribers are going to love and share and all that is, again, coming back to me. So I need to improve my game, right? So the world doesn't owe you anything. Nobody owes you anything. Okay. This is the message in this. Your effort is the reward you get is directly proportional to the effort that you put in. Very simple. Reward is directly proportional to the effort. And sometimes, despite of the best effort, there are no rewards, clearly, right? So there has to be, or there have to be, other reasons why you should be doing what you're doing. And I'll tell you one reason. Whatever you do on YouTube or anywhere else in life, and you're not getting the reward, the point is you shouldn't be doing it for reward. That means you should be doing it because you are passionate about it. Clearly, I'm passionate about what I do. Bottom line, that's the truth. And I tried to stay away from talking about it or doing, but I couldn't for a long time. I took a few years off and all that. I couldn't stay away because this is my passion. I'm dragged back into this. And in fact, people ask me, how do you know this is your passion? Now I have the data to prove, because I stayed away from it, but I couldn't stay away long enough. I couldn't forget. And that is how I know this is my passion, or at least one of my passions. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to record tomorrow's video today, but I'm going to cut off here. So if you subscribe to this channel, you'll see tomorrow's video. That's not a requirement, by the way. You do not need to subscribe, but if you do, then I can come more frequently in front of you. Every time I release a video, you will see it. Tomorrow's video, you'll see it. In fact, tomorrow I'm talking about, I'm going to be recording now, but I'll be releasing that, tomorrow. And I'm talking about the concept on how to create a shift. So people wait for a shift to happen in their lives, but how to create a shift, and there are specifically 4 things you have to do to create a shift. So I'll be talking about that. So if you hang around, then you'll see that video also. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. This video has gone beyond 15 minutes, and the way I know is every time I look down or I look below, this is the screen. Sometimes I put it in the front, sometimes on my seat. So every time I look here and there, that means I'm looking at this monitor, because I can't see myself on the screen. This is the monitor where I see myself. Okay, so that's all for now. Wherever you are, you be safe, you be amazing. I'll be seeing you as early as tomorrow. You take care. Bye now.